All right, on today's 30-minute mechanic, we're going to put some U-joints together on the drive shaft we built and see if maybe we can stick it in the car if we get that far. So buckle up, let's go. All right, we're back here with our drive shaft we made. We painted it, and the paint didn't turn out too good. It was good until I decided to put another coat of paint on it, and then it orange peeled everywhere. So, whatever. What we got here is a Harbor Freight ball joint press. We're going to see if we can use that dude to smash these U-joints in. I normally just pound them in, but I decided to try to do it a little different this time. And I got our conversion joint here. Little rant, quick rant. Conversion joint, you can buy them locally at the parts store for $39 a piece. This is a Moog joint, 448. I got these off REB Auto. I got 2 of them shipped to my office for less than that. So, you know, parts stores, gosh, I feel like they just make their money off of people that have to have something right now. And I didn't have to have it right now. So I chose to order it and save double the cost or half the cost or whatever the math is on that. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to use this press and we're just going to squash the caps in there. I'm trying to decide. It'd probably be easier. There's Zerk fitting on here. I think if it goes towards the drive shaft, I'll be able to get the greaser in there easier. So here we go. We'll probably time lapse all this. Well, you know, I probably should. Oh, great. Just stay. Everything is falling. Probably need a hammer. Just to tap. Probably need a hammer. Okay. Decided I might need a hammer to kind of get these started in whoops. Just to kind of get them started in so they don't try to fall out. Okay. Okay, let's put our clip in. Great. Where in the heck did that just go? Okay. Oh boy. Is that it? Hey, found it. All right, we use a little ball joint press here. We got both ends, both deals there. And we'll screw our zerk in there when we get done here. Now we're gonna flip it around and catch the other end. Okay, I'm back. Got my saddle, whatever you want to call it, flange. And I don't need these gloves on. Yeah. Let's put this one in. This is really going, gosh, this press deal makes this so easy. Okay, just quickly, we're going to slide under here and see if this thing fits. In my favorite place, putting on the floor under a car. So, there's camo. It'd be funny if I stuck the wrong yoke on it. I don't have the right companion flange on here right now, but you get the idea. Let's see what we look like. Yep. It's gonna be just about right. So next up, we'll take that companion flange off and put the small one on there, but I don't have time for that today. So there we go. Get you down here. I just blocked my light. Drive shaft plugs in up there. Looks like it's going to work, be the right size. We'll just change that flange, and then we'll bolt the dude in, and we'll be done with drive shaft for a while. Hooray! All right. We got our drive shaft, got our U-joints all put in our drive shaft with our Harbor Freight ball joint smasheroonie thing, press. Fits the car. So we're looking good in that area. Had a little trouble with it, but it's light years better than trying to put those together with a hammer. So double thumbs up on using that for U-joints. Check the description. Check out my friends' channels. But for now, like, subscribe, ring the bell. Tell your friends. We'll see you next time. Bye.